the bathroom is probably the one room in the house that we like to clean the least, right? Well, don't worry. With AspenClean, you can get it done in a few simple steps. We move on to the sink. Spray the entire area with the cleaner and then give it a good wipe with a wet cloth. When it comes to faucets, if there is grime buildup, spray the area with the cleaner, then add some super scrub and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe it away. You don't need much powder to get the job done. Next, we move on to the toilet. First, you want to brush, then flush. If you want your toilet bowl to sparkle, spray the cleaner into the bowl and then add a sprinkle of the scrub and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then use a scrubbing brush to mix the solution. Then give it a good flush. Don't forget to wipe down the rest of the toilet, including the toilet seat and the handle. Well, there you have it. A few simple steps to get your bathroom sparkling naturally with AspenClean.